It's actually really cold out this morning. Dream home for me is a canyon home in the hills, maybe Spanish style, mid-century modern, combination of the two. It's just so pretty to walk up in the hills over here. Hear the birds. Good morning. It's 10 a.m. I'm just now having breakfast with this giant salad. I have not been having salads lately, and I just woke up craving a giant salad. This has shredded lettuce, green onion, watermelon radish, slivered almonds, shredded chicken, avocado. It's the best. And then it has a carrot ginger dressing. Let me show you this cute basket I bought so I can go to the farmer's market and just have my little vegetables in here. Isn't it so cute? Artisan made in Ghana. Yeah, handmade in Ghana. Beautiful.
Are you ready, sir? Yes, he's ready.
You're ready?
Okay. There you go.
Is it good? He truly walks around like I don't feed him. He's constantly scavenging for food on the street. He's going up to strangers begging. Like anytime someone tries to pet him, he looks at their hand because he thinks they might have a treat in it. He is food obsessed. This dog is food obsessed, but I understand. We are so similar. Dressed for the day, and I bought myself some beautiful flowers at Trader Joe's. I'm gonna make a little bouquet. It's already made. I'm gonna put it out on the coffee table. I have been making more of a concerted effort to get dressed every day, and I've been doing this curling wand on my hair. My skin is getting better too. Slowly, this is starting to fade. I don't know if you can tell. I try to cover this side because it's much more apparent on this side. Overall though, my skin, it's improving. I got to stay out of the sun. And one of the things I'm working on for the coming year is to elevate my style and spend just an extra 10, 15 minutes in the morning actually getting dressed. And if you watch my closet makeover video, you see how small my wardrobe has gotten now. And I'm all about picking quality over quantity. I want to thank Lily Silk for sponsoring today's video, and I want to show you guys some of the pieces that I've picked out. I love Lily Silk. I've worked with them before. They have beautiful, timeless, classic pieces like this cable knit sweater that I'm wearing today. I got it in this gray color because I just feel like this is something I can wear with literally everything, but it also comes in black and white. It's just a perfect piece for fall and winter months. What I love about this sweater is that it is soft like butter. This is a cashmere wool blend. I'm very, very sensitive to fabrics. There's a lot of fabrics that I don't like the feel of. And this just, it feels like, I don't even know how to explain it to you guys because it's so soft. This is one of those pieces I feel like you can wear year after year. Because I tend to go casual with my style, like I'm a t-shirt and jeans kind of girl, I do like to have something that just makes everything look polished and just having quality items. That's all you need. Like this being a really nice cable knit sweater, instantly, I just look and then I throw on my herringbone necklace. Hello, I mean, so Lily Silk is famous for their tailored silk shirt. And this color, I want to show it to you in the sunlight because it is so stunning. This is their dark olive. And I have looked for a silk shirt that is the right tone of olive, and I have not found it online except for with Lily Silk. It has like this very rich, deep hue to it. I wore it open. I feel like you can wear it open over a tee, over a racer back tank. And just having this is something that I can toss on and just feel the smooth silkiness on my skin. And it feels luxurious. It feels like casual luxury. Let me show you the 100% cashmere piece that I picked out. Cashmere vest. You can throw it over a long sleeve button up. I like to throw it over a tee, but the quality of this cashmere You guys, this is the best. You'll see cashmere range in prices because it's not all created equal. It feels silky soft. You want to wear this 24/7 because it feels so good on your skin. Okay, so here it is just on its own. This is casual, sophisticated elegance. This is a piece that you could take year round. Wear it like this in the warmer months, throw it over a t-shirt when it gets a little cooler, or a long sleeve button up as it goes into winter. Lovely. I'm usually a size 12, 14. And so with Lily Silk, I went for a size large and everything. I also picked out the Amira dress. It is made with an ultra fine merino wool. So again, it's very soft, very wearable. It's the kind of dress you can take day to night. Like, it's giving me 90s vibes with the combat boots. Lily Silk makes excellent gifts if you are looking for something really special to get a family member, an in-law, something for yourself, a little end of year treat. I've linked all of my favorites in the description box under the video, along with special promo codes and extra discounts. Thanks to Lily Silk for sponsoring today's video. I'm due a hair salon visit. I'm going on Wednesday to get my extensions put back in, redone. They're in right now, but I'm going to get them redone. And then I'm probably within the next week or two get my grays colored. I just finished a podcast with Clutterbug. So exciting. She's so nice. She's just very nice, very easy to talk to. She's the kind of person you could just talk to all day. It was really, really fun. Now I'm thinking, like, do I want to start a podcast? Do I want to start a podcast and talk to people and just talk myself? Would you guys listen to a podcast if I started a podcast? You know, there's so many podcasts. I could just title it Not Another Podcast. There probably already is a podcast called Not Another Podcast. But I don't know. I'm thinking of starting my own, maybe in the new year, if I can figure out a schedule that I could stick to. I have to start thinking about that, but it was fun. I really like that. I haven't been on any other, I've been on one other podcast as a guest, but it was more about YouTube. I haven't gotten to talk about my decluttering journey. Anyways, I was nervous. Beforehand, I was nervous, but then I just tell myself, like, okay, deep breaths. You're fine. You know how to talk. Just relax. And then afterwards, you're always just thinking, okay, did I say anything good? Did I sound stupid? But you know what? I'm not gonna let my brain go there because it's just gonna try to beat me up. I think I'm gonna go and get a kombucha. I've had an upset stomach all morning, and I could really use something to kind of settle my system a little bit. Samson threw up in the middle of the night. I don't know what's going on with him, but he has an acupuncture appointment later today, which I'm going to take him to at 5 o'clock. Something else was bothering me. I got a bill. I got an unexpected bill. I just don't like when that happens because I already paid this bill. I hired someone to do something. I paid them a bill, and now they're sending me another bill. I will pay it. I just don't like surprised, unexpected expenses. I think I just need to do some balancing of my checkbook. I kind of like use this app. It's called Every Dollar, and I like to track every single dollar that comes in and every single dollar that goes out. So I think what it is I need to like balance things and see where I'm at in terms of what I've spent so far, and then I think I'll feel better. Because that's kind of how I feel whenever I'm not consciously spending. Like when I did my Europe trip, about halfway through, I started to feel a lot of anxiety about spending money. And I just needed to sit down and write down everything and get clear on how much I was spending. Once I did that, I realized I was right on track with my budget. Oh, okay, I'm actually doing good. I'm sticking to the allotted amount that I wanted to spend on this trip. Because it was an expensive trip, and I did it all in cash. I'm thinking of doing a video about money organization, something like that. So I'll probably shoot that within the next week or two. It's kind of related to just being organized, financial organization, financial order. I feel like when I know exactly what I'm spending and I know where my dollars are going and I know what things are coming up, other expenses, then I feel the anxiety starts to melt away, the financial anxiety. So yeah, that was fun. That was really, really fun. I'm glad I did it. Pushing myself out of my comfort zone. I like podcasts. I like being interviewed. I think I might start my own. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know.
Puerto Rico. Influencers eating celery.
Celery. Very healthy.
Pose and pose. 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 Pose.
Oh, that looks, come on now. Cover your face.
It's like extra, baby.
Yeah, I have to pay extra.
Blue sky come bearing up before us. We hang on the hem of your gown. Blue sky come, promise not to leave us. Tarry not to our town. There's a darkness in the valley. Heavy branches crack and split. If we holler, will you hurry? Can you hear us through the wind? Blue sky come, dancing in between us. Take us up, lay us down. Blue sky come, promise not to leave us. Tarry not to our town.
I'm in the middle of my no buy month, but I bought this book. This was October, so it's before I'm doing no buy November. I was watching this show. It's called Harry and Wild. It's some random British show. I think it's British. It has Jane Seymour in it, and I found this old Jane Seymour book online called Guide to Romantic Living, and it just sounded like such a sweet, bringing romance to everyday life. I haven't read any of it yet, but I don't know, is this an impulse purchase? I think I'll treasure it. I have to look through it. And the other thing I got last month, these little fabric swatches. They came from England. I don't know what I'll do with them, but I think this one's actually wallpaper. Isn't that so pretty? Imagine a wall with this wallpaper. Oh, or curtains. Like curtains made out of this. I just picked out a few different swatches. But I like looking at all these different fabrics. You like these too, baby?
He's a good boy. Yes, he is. He deserves all the treats and everything he ever wanted.
Okay, with that, we bid you adieu and see you in the next vlog. Mwah.